I think we got food.
They think I've got food, that's why they all came towards me. Oh, my poor birds. My poor little duckling. I'm sorry, I got no food. They all came towards me. I was wondering why. Huh? They all came towards me.
There's a house there.
Oh, they saw me and they came running towards me. And now they stopped because I got no food. Sorry. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, come, let's follow. Oh my God, I was wondering how come they're all coming towards me. I think they recognize I'm a bird lover. I got a snowy pet at home. Come, follow me. Follow me. Come. Come, little duckling. Quack, 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 quack. Follow Mother Goose. I'm Mother Goose. Come, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Come on. Follow me. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. See, the whole bunch of ducks are following me. Isn't that amazing? This is the leader here. That's the leader. And this one here is the Lone Ranger. Lone Ranger here. This is interesting. Okay. Are you going to stop here? Or are you going to follow me? Come on. Come on. Lone Ranger. Follow me, Lone Ranger. The Lone Ranger is following me now. Stop. This leader stops. Everybody stops. Everyone stops. Hey. Okay. Follow. Quack, 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 quack. Isn't this wonderful? What a wonderful day. Thank you, God. Here goes the other male leader. Male leader. Yeah? This is a